I will be trying to turn this $50 into $100,000. We've seen other people do it before, like LXG turning $100 into $1,000,000. So I'm going to try to put my skill set to the test and see how far I can come turning this $50 into $100,000. Now I will be sharing these trades inside of my community, so feel free to join so they will also be able to profit off of these trades. As you guys can see, the Telegram be going crazy. We just hit TP on gold today. GU, we hit TP yesterday. You can see I share my trades before I enter so you guys can also profit off of these trades. Also Q&As, weekly webinars, giveaways. You can either see right here, or students, they be taking their trades on their own, making their first profits, etc. So feel free to join the community and make your first profit, become a profitable trader. For the first week, I will be risking 50% of the $50. So that gives me 2 chances before I blow the account. From the second week, I will adjust the risk to 30%. So I only need a 1 to 3 risk to reward minimum with a 30% risk to double the account each week. So as I progress along this journey, I will make adjustments to the risk, possibly even withdrawing some of the profit that I make along the way. But we will see as we progress within this journey. So if you want to catch these trades, trade alongside me and my community while we try to turn this 50 into 100,000, feel free to join the community with the link below, and let's make this money together. Peace.